Greetings from Farmata Consulting. Welcome to Mind Map online workshop on how to draw a mind map as applicable to parents. The module has been designed by Suresh Tyagarajan, Director, Farmata Consulting. Mind map is a diagram that outlines a set of information in an arranged form. Courtesy Wikipedia. A diagram shown here displays the uses of mind map. It shows information about who can all use the mind maps. Of course, the list is not exhaustive. List down some other users of mind map from your own understanding. Courtesy to XMind and FreeMind open source tools which have been used for drawing all the mind maps in this training. Some more examples of mind map. Learning the vocabulary. The students in a classroom can list down the things and the people that they find inside a classroom. This becomes a good learning exercise. Next is providing solutions to a problem. How to heat an electrical car that has an air cooler in it. Another interesting mind map on causal analysis. These are listing the reasons why change requests come into a project. We will see many more like this very soon. Tony Buzan is the inventor of mind mapping. He captured the thought process of the mind in a diagrammatic form. He provided many tips for making this process effective. Tony Buzan has written many books in which he has represented many subjects like English, mathematics, science, social studies, etc. as mind maps. He also says that if a child looks at the mind map frequently, it gets etched in the memory forever and the child will face exams, tests, and reviews very confidently. Tips for drawing mind maps. Mind maps can be drawn simply by using a white sheet of paper or on a chart paper. There are few tips to make a good mind map. Keep the paper in a landscape orientation and not in a portrait orientation. Not drawing any borders and not using ruled or small sheets of paper is a good practice. Use a lot of colors and draw or paste lot of pictures. Remember, one picture is equivalent to 1,000 words. These things will trigger the creative mind in you. The lines connecting the nodes are to be thicker at the node and thinner at the other end. Use irregular shapes and contours. Do not use circles and squares. Do not use straight lines but use curved lines. The advantage of using paper is you need not have computer or knowledge of computer. It doesn't slow down your thinking process. The disadvantage of this method is it is difficult to edit and add more things. Till you become master in drawing mind maps on papers, do not use any tools for mind map. Once you are an expert, you can start using mind map tools. There are few open source tools that help us draw mind maps. FreeMind and XMind are quite useful. Download the tools using the links provided and try using them. The YouTube videos are the best user guide for you. Throughout this online training, we will be using XMind and FreeMind tool for drawing mind maps. Our courtesy to XMind and FreeMind open source tool that has helped us to realize the e-learning training. Advantage of tools: editing and rearranging becomes easy, storing as an electronic version and exporting to various formats is possible. It is able to handle large branches and sub-branches that can be collapsed or expanded. Disadvantage: requires hardware and software. Usage expertise can block the thinking process. Learn and practice mind map in less than 30 minutes through an online program which represents plans, decisions, solutions, processes, and so on. Register with an attractive price for the online course as per the URL given here, or get the assistance from the phone number or email ID.